Step 3. Problem solving. Aimed at revitalizing the education sector and ensuring that teachers are trained continuously for enhanced productivity, performance, and complete development of students, the Lagos State Government, in partnership with the British Council, organized this capacity building program for teachers and school principals. Commissioner for Education in Lagos State, Mrs. Folashade Adefisayo, said the initiative is a transformative plan of the government towards exposing teachers to core skills and international best practices.
This is really a transformative kind of program. Its focus is on how teachers teach and ensure that there's deep learning going on in the classroom. Because the deep learning, the students actually learn and it impacts them, they grow with it. And so it's important that we help our teachers move out of a mode of cram and pour and into a mode where the students really internalize and deepen their learning. And they are going to be taught many skills and strategies for doing this. I urge them to enjoy the process. And if you enjoy this process, you will internalize it yourself. It will become part of you and you will never ever even be able to teach in the formal way.
On his part, the project manager, Schools Education, British Council, Mr. Jetao John, expressed optimism that the teachers will effectively utilize the knowledge derived from the program in their respective classrooms.
One thing I'm very, very sure of is, of course, at the end of this training, we will be producing transformed teachers who are 21st century thinkers, teachers who will teach, who will ensure that their classroom does not just take the normal process, but the classroom whereby at the end of the session or learning process, students who will be produced out of their classes will not just leave the classroom with just knowledge, but they should be leaving this classroom with skills and also values. That's the only way the student generally can actually impact and contribute meaningfully to global issues.
One of the participants said he was highly motivated by the various sessions and is ready to utilize the knowledge acquired in his classroom.
We have increased in cognitive, we have increased in psychomotor, we have increased in affective domain. Seriously, we are going to swing into action. We will see our Tutor General in District 5, and he will organize a forum whereby we can get in touch with teachers so that they can have creative mentality, so that they can have imaginative mentality, so that they can have leadership mentality, so that they can have citizenship mentality, so that they can have other mentality, digital mentality.
Teachers in Lagos State had been running through trainings before now, but I must confess that this is a unique training because it is addressing the core skills of the 21st century. The present situation had made us realize that there are more to education than just passing. Indeed, we are looking at 21st century skills, which is the order of the day now. And if a student or our students are able to run through this, they will be better.
With the training, teachers are expected to engage the learners to think critically and prefer solutions to global issues, making them develop skills that are relevant to the needs of the society.